Hello YouTube, klwdesigns. Just going to do a quick review here for you, install review, demo, whatever, of some mirror lights that I ordered from Wish app, which means they came straight from China, right? So, whoa, sorry about that. Flip the camera around. Can't do that while you're recording. Alright, we'll do it this way then. So, underneath our mirrors, we have all these lights, right? Hit the remote. Keys from the pocket. Right, light comes on. Lights at the ground when you walk up, right? Well, order these lights, replacement lights from the Wish app. That light is the same as this light. What you gotta do is put a little screwdriver in there, compress that tab, right there, right? Put a screwdriver in there, pop this whole thing comes out. That's this assembly. They're a little wedged in there, but that's this assembly, right? Lens on there, then just take apart the clip. Easy pops together. This is straight from China. Got the Chinese address on it and everything. I think they were like 10 bucks to order them from Wish. You can get them on eBay for about 15, so $5 more and you get them in a couple of days versus a couple of weeks, but whatever. I'm positive it's the exact same product. So this is the one. This is the replacement. I ordered blue just to be fun because I have a Ford. So they also have white, bright white, which I'm sure is really bright. But these seem to be pretty bright. I'll show you in a second. So what I did, you can see, hopefully there's 2 male spades in there, which kind of matches up nicely with these. These are a little bit wider than what you need, so I simply grabbed a hold of it with those pliers, took a little file, filed it down, right? Narrowed it down till it was the right size. I hope they're not fragile. I just dropped that one. And once I popped that one out, those just plugged right into the new one, or the new one just plugged right into the factory wiring harness. And this is like what it looks like on the other side. That's not it. That's actually my dog wearing a light up collar. Busy, you're in the shot. Anywho, that lights up nicely. So by comparison, right? Front of the truck, blue light. Stock light. So the stock light, it gets the ground, gets the side of the truck, and does a nice job. Definitely better than nothing. But that blue light, it's just nicer. That's for sure. I'm sure the white one's even brighter. Very cool. Salt them up. Make your life brighter. Brighten your life.